If I want to make a phone call, very simply, I can lift the handset. I get a line appearance that comes up in green, tells me I have an available line. I can also press the speaker key. That's this icon right here, right next to the handset. Press on the speaker, you get a dial tone. Our dialing plan calls for dialing a 9. Dial away, immediately get a ring. If I'm placing a call, I have an active call. It's showing me the active call in red.
You may dial it at any time, or please choose from one of the following.
If I want to hang up, I can press speaker, I can hang up the phone. This button is for your headset, so for those of you in the audience that are headset users, simply press on the headset button. You're now in headset mode, and you can dial away like you would with any other phone device.